Alright, so you want to learn how to drift using an SRT-Demon? Absolute beast of a car, right? Go from straight line hero to sideways legend. First things first, safety. Only try this on a closed track or private property. Always wear your seatbelt and a helmet. Seriously, don't mess around. These cars pack a ton of power. Step 1. Know your Demon. It's got a supercharged 6.2-liter V8, pumping out over 800 horsepower. Make sure you turn off traction control. Step 2. Set up for your drift. Approach your corner at a moderate speed. Keep your hands at 9 and 3 on the wheel. Be ready to counter steer. Step 3. Initiate the drift. The easiest way with the Demon is using that insane power. Give the throttle a quick jab as you flick the wheel into the corner. The rear tires will lose traction and the back end will swing out. Step 4. Counter steer and modulate the throttle. As soon as you feel the car start to slide, turn the wheel the opposite way. Counter steer. Balance the throttle to keep the rear sliding, but not spinning out. More gas pushes the car out, less gas brings it back. Step 5, hold it and exit. Keep your eyes looking where you want to go, not at the nose. As you finish the corner, gently let off the throttle and straighten the wheel. Quick recap. 1. Find a safe place. 1. Know your car. Traction control off. 1. Approach the corner, hands ready. 1. Jab the throttle, flick the wheel, let it slide. 1. Counter steer and balance the gas. 1. Look where you want to go. Finish clean. Couple of pro tips. Start slow and work your way up. Drifting a Demon is all about throttle control, not just brute force. If you spin out, no big deal. Reset and try again. If you want to level up, mess with your tire pressures. Slightly less in the rear. And don't forget, drifting eats tires for breakfast, so bring spares. Alright, that's how you drift in SRT-Demon. Simple, right? It just takes some practice, a safe spot, and a whole lot of tire smoke. If this helped you out, smash that like button, drop a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you sideways.